Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Welcome to Krishna Flute Academy YouTube channel. Today I want to discuss one beautiful question which has been asked by one of my students. He asked me, sir, how can I raise my speed? How can I speed up my flute? So it is real that every student has the same question in their mind, but they do not know how to do this. But actually it can be done with a very basic practice. It can be easily solved. You can also play flute faster. But the thing is, you need to first know sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. At least these notes. The notes you should be able to play. Then only the faster things will come. So one octave you should have to play. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. If you could able to play this, now I can show you how to speed up. So here you need the help of metronome. Okay, 4x4 rhythm you will start with that. Now what is 4x4 rhythm? I have already created a video. You can take a look. So now it is 4x4 rhythm. And I will use the metronome 100 BPM and I will share it one notation. Now you follow my instructions. If you follow so and if you practice accordingly, I'm 100% sure you could able to play super fast. And trust me, flute is very fast instrument. It can be played so fast. So you also can be able to match the speed of flute. Okay, let me share with you the notation and the metronome. Okay, let's see. It is 100 BPM 4x4. If you don't have metronome, you can search in Google Play Store any metronome you can choose. 4x4 rhythm and 100 BPM we will start. See, this is the notes I am going to share. First you observe 100 BPM 16 beat, that we know all the 4x4 rhythm. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa, total 8 notes. Sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa, total 8 notes. 8 plus 8 16. Now I am playing it. Each beat, each note. 1 2 3 4. Now it is called 100 BPM. Now if we need to speed up, now we'll play one beat, 2 notes. Okay, 16 beats but 32 notes. One beat, 16 multiply into 2, 32 notes we will play in 4x4 rhythm. Okay, one beat, 2 notes again. See, easily it is speed up. Now can anyone comments me in this video that what does the BPM sounds like, means what will be the count of the BPM feels like? But I am playing 100 BPM, but if I am playing one beat, 2 note, what is the BPM count will be? Can anyone comment it in this video? Okay, now again I can double it with sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa ni dha pa ma ga ni sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. One beat, 4 notes. So how you can be sure that your speed is going correct? Now see, one beat, 4 note. 1 2 3 4. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. Then the bell will come definitely in 1. 1 2 3 4. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. Like this way you can be sure, yes, what I am playing, it is correct. So If you practice this tutorial, I think it will be very, very helpful for you. Then your movement, finger movement will be so fast. Okay? Practice, practice, practice. This is the only things, only keys to get success. If you like this video, please do comments. Please subscribe our channel and thumbs up. All the best to your journey, flute journey.